London Corbin McGee Airport.
Automated weather observation 1718 Zulu. Wind 280 at 05. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 15 Celsius. Dew point 05 Celsius. Altimeter 3001. Remarks. Density altitude 1,400.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox maneuvering at the north hangars, London. London traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox, entering runway 24 from the north ramp, London. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox on the go, runway 24, London. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox, departing runway 24 westbound, climb to 2,000 feet, London. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox, cross midfield, eastbound at 2,000 feet, London traffic.
Obstacle, pull up, 500.
London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox, turn final, runway 24, full stop, London. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox, clear the runway at the north hangars, London. London Corbin traffic, helicopter 9361 Fox on the ground at the north hangars, London.